Hello student. Today we are discuss about ripping CD to your computer. Okay, page number 13. Open your book at page number 13. Okay. So ripping already discussed Windows Media Player, Windows Mobile. Okay. So now discuss today we are discuss now ripping CD to your computer. Okay. So ripping that means what? Ripping. Suppose when you copy any files that means documents, folder, audio, video from your CD and DVD. Okay, from your CD or DVD onto our computer. It's called ripping. Okay, everyone. Suppose I want to, you can see I have already insert my CD, and suppose I want to open my CD drive, and you can see some folder is appear here. Yes. So suppose I want to copy this folder onto our my computer. It's called ripping. Okay, everyone should be understood. It's my DVD drive. Yes. So I open it and copy this folder or any file from CD to my computer. It's called ripping. Okay, so ripping CD to your computer. Okay, so ripping that means copy. Actually, ripping that means copy. Okay, copy. Windows Media Player enable us to copy songs from our favorite CD DVD onto our laptop computer. When you copy songs from a CD onto our computer, it's called rip. Okay, everyone should know ripping that means copying. Actually, while I inserted your CD and DVD onto your into your computer, and after you open your CD and DVD drive, and after you copy any file that means songs video from your CD or DVD to your computer, it's called ripping. Okay, so now page number 14. How can I ripping CD DVD? Okay, how can I ripping CD DVD step by step, and everyone should know ripping. Okay, so once we have copied the songs to our computer, we can use Windows Media Player. So when I use ripping CD, okay, when I use ripping CD, you can also use Windows Media Player. So Windows Media Player is used for ripping CD. Okay, CD or DVD. So we can use Windows Media Player. You can see Windows where my this one, yes, Windows Media Player. Okay, so after you can step by step. I follow this step by step. Okay, so click on start button all programs and open Windows Media Player. I have already opened it. So insert a CD into the CD drive. Okay, a list of songs in that CD will appear in Windows Media Player. Okay, so open Windows Media Player. Okay, I have already opened it, and after you insert your CD and DVD, okay, in the CD drive. Okay, after you a list of songs in the chart will appear in Windows Media Player. Automatically show some list of music, videos, picture automatically show in my Windows Media Player. You can see my my CD drive name is Ashik. Okay, so when you open it, my CD drive is open already open it. Yes. So double click on here, and you can see the disk is empty. The disk is empty, but already you can see my disk is already full. Yes, but show this option. You can see this option, the disk is empty, because Windows Media Player only supported picture, videos, and audio. But you can see my CD drive. I have no audio, picture, videos in my CD drive. Okay, you can see I have some folder inserted and inserted in my CD. Okay, insert my CD. So this Windows Media is automatically show my CD drive, and after you double click on this CD drive, you can see my CD drive is appear here. Yes, and you can see that disk is empty will show. But why? Because I have no audio videos in my CD. Okay, so when you open your when you insert CD and DVD to your computer, automatic and after you Windows Media Player open after Windows Media Player, and you can show automatically show some album, that means some audio, videos, and images. Okay, on your Windows Media Player. Okay, so I follow this step. Okay, so click the start button, all programs, open Windows Media Player and insert a CD in the CD drive. A list of songs in the CD will appear in Windows Media Player. Next, clear the checkbox in front of those songs that you do not want to rip. Use the checkbox at the top of the list to select or clear all checkbox at once. Okay. Step 4. Once you are done with the selection process, select rip CD. The ripping process will begin and you can see the rip status of individual songs. To stop the process at any point in time, select stop rip option. You can see right side of images number 4. Okay, so you can also change the format and audio. You can see I will repeat again step 4. Okay, so after you insert your CD and DVD onto your laptop and after Windows, open your Windows Media Player. Okay, so automatically show your CD and DVD drive. You can see my CD and DVD drive name Ashik. Okay, so this suppose you open your CD and DVD drive. Okay, and after you can see automatically songs and videos automatically show in this media player. Okay, but you can see my you can see my disk is empty appear here. Yes, why? Because I have no audio and videos in my CD. Okay, because I have inserted some folder and software in my CD. So software is not supported and folder is not supported Windows Media Player. So Windows Media Player is show this disk is empty. Okay, so Windows Media Player only supported picture, videos and albums. Okay, so after you insert your CD and DVD onto your laptop, you open Windows Media Player and automatically show, you can see table name, title, status, length, album, rating, contribute, artist and composer. Okay, so automatically show your video, songs, yes, videos, songs and images onto our Windows Media Player. Okay, and suppose which you want to copy songs or video, which you want to copy songs and video, and after you select this and automatically show two options in Windows Media Player. Number one option rip CD and rip setting. Okay, so which you want to select, suppose I want to use two songs and I have inserted 4 songs in my CD, but I want to copy 2 songs from my CD. So you can select these songs and after you click on rip CD option. Okay, and automatically copy from your CD to your computer. Okay, next step 5, you can also format an audio quality of rip music by selecting rip settings, and you can also change the format audio, video, change the format of quality, change the audio quality, video quality and image quality of rip music by selecting rip setting. You can also rip setting, you can also use rip setting, and you can you can also change some format and audio and video quality of your videos and audio. Okay, so after you can also keep default Windows Media Player format setting, and at the end the selected songs will be ripped to your Windows Media Player. You can play the ripped songs from your library. Okay, so image, you can see image 4. Okay, right side image, page number 14, rip status. So rip status, ripping, you can see image ripping. Okay, so which you want to you can see image track 1, track 1, track 2, track 3, track 4. That means your audio name. Okay, suppose your audio name is track 1, track 2, track 3, track 4. Okay, so which you want to copy from your CD, you can select this songs, videos and audio, and suppose you can see images, 2 songs selected it here. Okay, so after you select this audio and after you can use rip setting. Okay, rip setting and automatically copy audio, videos and images from your CD to your computer. Okay, and also extra setting in this Windows Media Player, you can also quality and format that means actually used for only images. Okay, and quality used for only audio and videos. So you can also change format and quality of music and videos. So you can use RIP setting option, and you can also change it format and audio quality and video quality RIP music by selecting RIP setting. Okay, so I hope everyone understood. Okay, so already discussed in last class. Okay, Windows Mobile what default browser of Windows 7 operating system. Default browser of Windows 7 operating system is a Internet Explorer, and default media player is a Windows Media Player. Default, that means part. Suppose you can run your computer, and suppose first time you want to open your computer and you can install your operating system on your computer and automatically install some application on your computer. It's called default application. Okay, so default application is a Internet Explorer and web browser. Actually, web browser is a default browser of Windows 7 operating system. It's Internet Explorer. And default Windows Media Player of Windows 7 operating system is Windows Windows Media Player is a default media player of Windows 7 operating system, and Internet Explorer is a default web browser of Windows 7 operating system. Everyone should remember this. Okay, default. So after we will discuss next class copying data to a CD. It's called copying data to a CD from your computer. It's called burning. Okay, suppose I will repeat again. Okay, just wait. So suppose you have two files in your computer. Okay, on your computer, and you can burn these files to your CD. Burning these files. Okay, so burning, that means you can see my source. Okay, or this app. Okay, a folder on application. Okay, software. Okay, so this folder and application copy to your CD drive from your computer. It's called burning. Remember this: burning and ripping. Burning, that means suppose copy folder, any folder, audio, videos from your computer to your CD and DVD. It's called burning. And ripping, that means audio, video and images from CD and DVD onto your computer. It's called ripping. Okay, after we will discuss next class burning. Okay, so already discussed ripping. Okay, then now everyone, bye bye.